and 2 bowls, a small bowl, and we see powder here, so it's called powder experiments. Don't put water there. So first, we're going to put one of the powder. One is water gel and one is snow powder. So, let's try and put it, and let's put this over here and the water over here and see what is turned. Not powder, so let me check this. Don't put the camera in it. And then we'll put one. Ew. I don't want to eat this. Don't want to put it. Okay, nice. I put my phone. A little bit more. This one. Let's put water in and let's see what it turned to.
Wow! Whoa! I think this looks like snow. Wow! What's that?
And I can play with it and I can tell you what it feels. Oh, it's soft. It's soft too. I love this snow. It looks like a real snow. Do you know how I know looks like a real snow? Because an iPad and TV, snows are white, and I know snows are white. Our phones. I love it. Dude. Aw, we cannot make a snowman. Oh, I think so. I think we need surface. Look at my hand. And if you play with it, the snow put on my fingers or my hands. It's a mess on my hand. Yeah, it's a mess on my hand. I like this. No spills. Okay. I would never. It's now ready for another one. Yeah, it's my turn now. Do you know it? It's my turn. This one. So I will put this one. So I'll put this. You clean it. Okay. I will do it. I think this one go first. Oops. Put it. Okay. One more. I think we put it 2 spoons. I need water. I pour water in Kevin. Okay. I'm gonna move it a little more. Some more. Some more. Enough. Don't touch. Oh, it's a magic. That's all the snow sticking on my hand. It's a magic. It's not because, let me see. It's not spilling. It's magic. Snow spills like this. And I'll clean it again. Yeah, I'll give it to you. Don't spill it. It's magic. It spills. It's totally a magic. It's totally, you can't feel it. It's totally, this one, the snow is totally soft, and this one is totally looks like a magic trick. It looks like a magic snow that is going in. Okay, when I say bye guys, I can do something with the snow. Yeah, me too. Bye guys!